Hi everyone. So today's Father's Day, so perfect opportunity to do a kind of Father's Days related origami. And today we'll be making a crown because, well, it's Father's Day and it's his day to for himself, I guess. So yeah, thought it would be a cute little origami to make. So as usual, take a square piece of origami paper, and the first thing we're going to make is the organ base. To do that, we're going to fold our origami paper in half. Oops. Like so. And then turn it around and we're going to fold it in half again. Yep, and then open that back up, and then we're going to want to fold these two sides into the center line crease that we've just made. And then after that, what we're going to do is open this up like that and then squash it down, and this line should be in line with this side of the flap. Then repeat on the other side. And yeah, that is the organ base. So now we can start actually making the crown. Flip it around. Then what we're going to do is fold these two sides on into the center crease, which you can't really see on mine, but that's what we're going to do. Press down, repeat on the other side. Yep, like so, and then going to fold. I'm going to fold these two corner flaps here up. And then what we're going to do next is fold this up to the top here. And after that, we're going to flip our model over. Same as the other side, we're going to fold these corner flaps up. And then fold it to the top like so. Yep. And then simply what we're going to do is open it up here. Actually, maybe I shouldn't have seen. Yep, open it up. Try not to rip it. And then simply what you're going to do is push this down. And yeah, this is your crown origami, like so. So yeah, this was just a fun little origami to make for Father's Day and I don't think it'll fit on his head because it's not big enough, or at least for my father anyway. But I hope it was fun making it. Maybe you could put it on like a small pet that you have or a toy. So like usual, write a comment down below what you thought about this video. Like this video so I know you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more videos like this and other kind of videos I make, like vlogs. And yeah, thanks everyone for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!